Hey everybody, it's David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm bringing you another Coach Call Nugget. All right, you guys ready for today's nugget? Today's nugget is actually more of an observation that I've made over the last 18 months of coaching and the last nearly 12 years now of working with and for Grant Cardone. Why isn't sales easy? I mean, it should be, right? I mean, shouldn't it be easy? It should be, right? Right? Like, why don't more companies do training for their people? Why don't they do that? And why don't you, yes, you, why don't you role play more often? How come like no one is setting goals and targets and putting accountability in place and then actually acting on the goals and the targets and the accountability? How come nobody does that? Why is sales so f***ing hard, man? Actually, sales can be and will be very easy, especially when you study and you train every day, when you role play every day, and when you're getting and given correction and accountability every day. Sales is and will be easy, but, always a but, and this is the nugget, you are gonna have to go through hard to get to easy. You're gonna have to go through hard to get to easy. Everything you are good at now, you once sucked at. And you know what? Training every single day, writing your goals down every single day, role playing every single day, being willing to set your ego down and take criticism from somebody every single day. You know what? Those things are hard, and you're gonna have to go through it, the hard, in order to get to easy. Ask anybody who is successful at a high level. Ask anybody who has reached a level of greatness. They went through this. All of it. There is no free pass. You are not exempt from it. You are gonna have to go through hard in order to get to easy, period, bottom line. And right now, in the words of my good buddy Marshall Mathers, at this stage of the game, mediocrity can no longer apply. And this is exactly where Cardone University with coaching comes into play. If you got a sales team that hasn't quite tapped their potential yet, we have a formula and a strategy that you can start using with them today. This will help you start building a culture of sales in your company that will and can and has already produced a 15 to 30% return in as little as 90 days. Would you like to learn the formula? Can I share it with you? Because I'd love to share it with you. Okay, and give you some free access to Cardone University and do a free sales meeting for your team. Would you like that? If so, reach out, leave a comment below, shoot me a DM, email me, david@grantcardone.com, or just pick up the phone and call 310-777-0352. So hey, leave a comment below. Hey, I'm interested in the formula and I'll get it to you. Shoot me a DM. Hey, I'm interested in the formula. Email me. Formula, put formula in the subject line and we'll set up a time. That's the next step. It's you and me getting on a short call, setting up a time for me to do a free sales meeting for your team, getting you access to Cardone U, going over the formula with you. And hey, that formula works whether you do business with us or not. So you can't lose, okay? David@grantcardone.com or 310-777-0352. Thank you for watching and be great, as Grant says, and Eminem, because nothing else pays. I'll talk to you soon.